Hello. First of all, good afternoon to all of you. I am Dr. Pratik Gite, working as an assistant professor in IAS IPS Institute Indore. My topic is based on software engineering. So first of all, the question arises that what is software engineering? Software engineering is the establishment and use of sound engineering principle in order to obtain economically software that is reliable and work efficiently on a real machine. There are basically four layers: method layer, tools, quality focus, and techniques. Method layer depends on includes a set of tasks such as requirement analysis and other things. The other factor is goals of software engineering. The general goal of software engineering is to produce software that is economic and useful and safe for people as well as industry purpose. So the main goal of software engineering are as follows: the improvement the productivity of the programming development processes, producing system in following attributes: reliability, efficiency, clarity, extensibility. Extensibility means future enhancement should be easy, improving the quality of services product in all levels. The next slide is based on the process, product and project differences. A software process specifies a method of developing software. A software project on the other end is a development of project in which a software process is used, and software products are the outcomes of the final our task. Software process model. To solve the actual problem in an industrial setting, software engineering are a team of engineers must incorporate a development strategy that encompasses the process, method and tools and generic phases. There are so many models are there, like linear sequential model, spiral model, rand model, etc. The next slide is based on software testing. Software testing is the critical phase of software quality assurance. It indicates the ultimate review of specification, design and code generation. Once source code has been generated, software must be tested for uncovering and correct maximum possible errors before being delivered to the client. There are basically two techniques. They exercise the internal logic of the software components